Hi YouTube, it's me again. It is 9:30 and I just jumped a minute ago because they popped a firework. And there goes another one. So, tonight is going to be a very sleepless night because I'm already tired. Because I go to bed at 9 o'clock. But that's not going to happen today because they're popping fireworks. It's okay. There you go. You don't like them either. Oh, she's shaking. It's okay. Why are you shaking? My poor baby. She don't like them either. It's okay. She does this when it thunders too. So do I. I mean, I don't shake. I just turn my lamp on and get my Bible out and just read it. Because I just don't like the noise either. So we're just sitting here and I'm about to turn all the lights off and turn my radio up. So maybe that'll cut out the popping noise. We shall see. But they're not allowed to pop them in our trailer park. So what I'm hearing, it sounds like it's in our trailer park, but I'm sure it's not because whoever's doing it will get evicted or a citation or something like that. But I think they're popping them across the railroad tracks. I'm not sure, but I can't tell where they're popping them from. Stay, Coco. Let's see. Because they're not in. I think they're popping them because I live close to Greenwood, so I think they're popping them over there near the school. So, and I hope it rains because I see some thunder. I mean, not thunder, but lightning. So maybe it'll rain on them. I hope it does, because then they can't pop fireworks in the rain. Because, come on, lightning and rain. Hopefully it'll. Oh my gosh, look what I did. I left my keys in my door. Get back, Coco. Hopefully it'll start raining here in a bit. Then we can go to bed, Coco. But yeah. Hopefully it'll stop soon. I mean, it's not going right now, but it was a little while ago. But yeah. So we shall see how it goes. And usually what I do is if I can't sleep and they're still popping, I'll vacuum. It's weird. I'll vacuum my floors, even though the floor is clean. But I'll vacuum and clean and turn the radio up and clean some more and until I don't hear them no more. And usually that's like 1, 2 in the morning. And then I go to sleep because they'll quit. And then I have to get up the next day. But luckily, I don't have to get up the next day because we're off on Monday. So yeah. And so that's what I'm going to do today is turn the radio up and vacuum and clean the house even though the house is clean. Yeah. Because So, it's okay, Coco. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. There they go. It's okay. So, just wanted to get on here, and my hairpiece is finally starting to come undone, but that's okay, because I gotta wash my hair anyways, because tomorrow is hair washing day. So, I'll be washing my hair. Oh, hush, little man, you're fine, too. But, the reason why I don't have him over here is because sometimes he likes to pee-pee. So I keep him in there. But he does pretty good, though. Oh. Okay. You want the world to see you, too? How's that? How's that, old man? With no teeth. He has no teeth. Say hi to the people. Aww. Can we get it? But yeah, we're just gonna be sitting here listening to music real loud. We'll probably be doing that for 2 days now. We'll do it tomorrow and the next day, because I know they're gonna start doing that pretty soon. So, yep. Even though I don't have PTSD, I just don't like the noise that they make. I mean, I like them, they're beautiful, but I don't like the noise they make. And neither do some of the military people that served in the military that suffer from PTSD and anxiety and stuff. I know they don't like it either. But me, I don't have PTSD, but I don't like the noise that it makes. So, this is Anxiety Fireworks Part 2. So, but, yeah, and I got some washed dishes already that I'm going to put up here in a minute. So, find some more stuff to do. But, ooh, let me see, Coco. Wait, let me see. Okay, it's okay. Anywho, but yeah, I'm gonna get off here real quick and get to cleaning. Y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day. Happy 4th of July. And a birthday shout out to my friend who is turning 30 this year on July the 4th. Then July the 7th, I'll be 31. So, I'm excited, even though it's just a number. I've never been 31 before, never been 30 before. But I am going to be 31 this year. Yep. 31. So, and yeah, I'm going to get off here, and y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and have a happy 4th of July, and keep Jesus first.